To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Types of sentences. There are different types of sentences in English. Each type of sentence serves a different purpose and has different punctuation. The different types of sentences are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence. A declarative sentence gives information or states a fact. It ends with a full stop. For example, the sky is blue. Another example is, I love reading books. Both examples give information or state a fact. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Another example is, are you coming to the party? Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command or request. It can be used to give orders, directions, or to make requests. An imperative sentence usually ends with a full stop, but it can end with an exclamation mark if it's urgent. For example, please close the door. Another example is, be quiet. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotion. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful view. This example expresses admiration and happiness. I can't believe it. This example expresses surprise or shock.